Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete a comment on X. So let me open X, and first of all let me write such comment. So I will go to replies and I will write some kind of comment. Now I want to post it by tapping post in the top right. And now let's go back into those comments, and you want to find your comment that you want to delete, and next to it tap three-dot button and select option delete post. Confirm it by tapping delete once again, and as you can see my comment disappeared, which indicates that I have successfully deleted my comment. But if someone else has left an unwanted comment on your post, you cannot simply delete it, but you can hide it. So let me go to my profile and go to this post, which includes comment that I want to hide. So here it is, and next to it I want to tap three-dot button and I will select option hide reply. Confirm it by tapping hide reply once again, and additionally you can block this user if you want that. So that's basically how you can delete a comment on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.